Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Pro. First, let's get your company file set up correctly. You'll learn to create your chart of accounts, add essential customers and vendors, and input your inventory items. We'll also cover customizing initial preferences to streamline your daily tasks, ensuring a smooth start to managing your business finances effectively. Next, we'll dive into managing your money. You'll learn to accurately record sales, generate professional invoices, and efficiently process customer payments. We'll also cover how to enter and pay bills, track all your business expenses, and perform crucial monthly bank and credit card reconciliations. This ensures your financial records are always precise and up to date. Now, let's explore payroll and essential reporting. We'll guide you through processing payroll, paying your employees, and managing associated tax liabilities. You'll also learn to generate vital financial reports, such as the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These reports provide critical insights into your business's financial health. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and helpful tips. We'll show you how to use budgeting tools for better financial planning and how to effectively track inventory. You'll also learn to create purchase orders, manage sales tax, and understand the importance of regular data backups. These steps ensure your QuickBooks Pro experience is robust and secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.